Hi, I'm Jeff from Solar Choice. Solar Choice is Australia's online comparison service where you can compare solar quotes anywhere in Australia for free. We don't sell or install any solar panels, so we're really free to give unbiased advice in these reviews. So let's talk a little bit about Longi as a company. They're one of the top 3 solar panel manufacturers by volume in the world. So together with Jinko and Trina, they're considered to be one of the biggest solar panel manufacturers in the world. So that means they've got a good, large, stable company behind them, and they've been listed as a Tier 1 manufacturer by Bloomberg. In Australia, they first entered the scene in 2017, so a little bit of a later entrant to the Australian market, but they've been able to quickly pick up market share since then. And they've also set up an office in Sydney where they can support customers for technical sales support and warranty claims. So let's talk a little bit about the 2 panels we've got here. They're the HiMO 6 series panels, and they're Longi's 2 leading solar panels that they're offering into the Australian market. One being the Explorer version and one being the Scientist version. They're both rated at 440 watts, which fits well with Australia's rebate scheme and means you can get to a 6.6 kilowatt solar panel system rating, which can then be paired with a 5 kilowatt inverter. That's one of the most common system sizes in Australia. So the main difference between these 2 panels, as you can tell, is the appearance. So the characteristics of the panels are very similar, but the Explorer panel, which has the all black appearance, is what Longi considers its more premium option. And the jet black appearance is designed to look better on rooftops. And the Scientist panel, which has the more traditional solar look with the blue cells and the white spacing in between the cells, that has a slightly cheaper price point, but will achieve pretty much the same output and characteristics as the Explorer panel. So both of these solar panels are rated to 22.5% as a maximum efficiency. That's the key advantage of these panels, as it puts it up there with some of the top options in the Australian market. So they're a very efficient panel, making it a pretty good option for Australian customers who are looking to get the most out of a limited roof space. So these panels use 54 P-type solar cells. So they haven't migrated to N-type just yet, which is sort of an emerging solar cell technology that's now starting to be adopted, but they're still able to reach that very high efficiency. And one more unique characteristic of these solar panels is that they have back contact technology built into the solar cells. So normally between these cells there is metal bus bars which are connecting all the different solar cells together, and that's often visible on the front of the panel. However, Longi's technology has shifted that to the back of the panel, which enables them to really truly create a all black solar panel. But it also has some technical benefits in improving its performance in low light conditions and improving its resilience to shading. The panels both have exactly the same dimensions and weight. They're 20.8 kilograms, which is a suitable size for residential installers, and also 1.7 meters by 1.1 meter. And that's perfectly designed for residential roof spaces, meaning with the purlin spacing, you can get as many of these solar panels as possible fitting up onto your roof. So let's talk a little bit about the warranty offer that Longi has for these solar panels. It's a 25 by 25, meaning 25 years for product warranty and 25 years for the performance warranty. The product warranty covers things like manufacturing defects and anything that might structurally go wrong with the panel. And it's the one that we see customers claiming more often in Australia. So 25 years is what we'd now consider the minimum expectation of the market. There's still a few solar panels offering sort of 12 to 15 years, but most residential solar panels for rooftop solar systems now have a 25-year product warranty. One benefit of the Longi panel is it is supported with an Australian office, and is backed by a very large company that's likely to be around for that 25 years. So one slight blemish on the Longi solar panels record is that they did miss out on being named as a top performer in PV Evolution's labs testing for 2023. They have featured in many of the previous years leading up to that, so not sure why they weren't listed this year, but hopeful that these solar panels will be appearing again in 2024 and future years. So overall, Longi's solar panels are positioned towards the middle of the market in terms of quality and price. So it's definitely suitable for customers looking for a cost-effective solution, and does have some advantages in terms of the technical performance of the panel versus some of those other mid-range options on the market. That's all we have to talk about today with the Longi solar panel review. You can come to the Solar Choice website where we've written an in-depth review on this solar panel, including all the pros and cons. You can also come to the Solar Choice website where we compare quotes for free online, and you can make contact with some of the more reputable local installers near you. Thank you.